Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be a craft with me. I'm going to do two crafts, well, one craft and one upcycle. The first craft, as you see here, is I'm going to use these embroidery hoops and I'm going to make a wreath. And the second one is I'm going to upcycle a liquor bottle into something really pretty that can be displayed in your home. So I want you to come on in and craft with me. As you can see right here, guys, I am putting the two embroidery hoops together. That was the set, they come in twos, and I'm using them both, but I'm separating them. I'm using hot glue to put them together. I could have used E6000, but if at some point I wanted to take them apart, I can do so. I'm also going to be adding floral wire to help hold them together. I just didn't want to cement it because it may not stay this way. So I'm going to put this to music and let you watch me craft. I will be popping in and out as we go along, but it's going to be a relaxing craft with me. So sit back, get yourself a cup of tea or whatever you'd like to sip on, and let's craft together.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to. That I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight.
So here, guys, I'm using floral wire to help hold everything into place. As I said before, I didn't exactly want to cement anything in. These nice thick florals that you're seeing me use, I got from Michael's. And I got them on sale, of course. I always try to do that. But these are nice and thick, and there are lots of petals and leaves, so they will go a long way.
Telling myself that it's okay. Cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. But I just wanna stop everything I'm doing.
So guys, I'm thinking that because of the colors, I'm using the whites and the greens, that I could use this for the spring as well. So leave me a comment below. Do you think that this could also roll into spring with me, or do you think it's going to end at winter? I think I could actually pull it into spring as well. But let me know what you think. I'm interested in hearing that. So friends, I'm making a nice and easy bow, as you can see, and I'm using 2 different ribbons. I am in love with this rooster, the black and white rooster ribbon. I'm so sad that I only got 1 roll. I bought that back when, I believe, I'm not sure because I have so much ribbon, but I believe I purchased it back when AC Moore was going out of business. Wherever I picked it up from, I wish I had gotten more.
Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot.
So my friends, what do you think? I think this came out really, really pretty. I'm loving the black and the white with the green. But let me know what you think. It's different, but I like it. And I hope you like it as well.
Because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals.
So my friends, now we're going into craft number 2. And this is actually an upcycle. As you can see, I'm using a liquor bottle. And I'm going to take this and decoupage a napkin onto it after painting it with 3 coats of white chalk paint and turn it into something that would look beautiful on any shelf.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in
So friends, that's after 3 coats of white chalk paint. As you can see, I hope that you got a peek at it. I also finished the bottom of it as well. I just don't like unfinished projects, so I did the bottom as well. And now I am trimming the napkin, and it's just a napkin, and I am going to add it to the bottle using Mod Podge. My technique for this is once you put it there, I like to start in the middle and brush outward. That keeps it from puckering, and it also gives you less wrinkles.
All all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head.
Friends, let me make one correction. Actually, this is not a napkin this time. This is actually rice paper that I'm using. Yeah, I was looking closer at this as I'm editing, and I just noticed this was not the napkin. This was rice paper, and I just wanted to let you know what I was using. Also, my friends, if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to join the family. Hit that subscribe button below, and once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified about upcoming content. It's a lifestyle channel, and we do crafts here, as you can see. Shopping hauls, organization, cleaning, anything that has to do with helping you to live an organized and clean and relaxed lifestyle. So don't miss out. Hit that button and join the family. If you're one of my new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. I see you, and I am so very, very happy that you're here with me. And if you're one of my ride or dies and you've been here from the beginning, I just want you to know, as I always do, that I love you, I love you, I love you. I am grateful for each and every one of you being on this journey with me. You have no idea. So, back to crafting.
Something right, baby, I believe in us. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But without of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah.
So guys, this is the finished product. What do you think? Do you like it? I absolutely love it. And you can add flowers, or as I did here, I added a bauble, and that really glitters in the sunlight. And it's just a knob that I had extra when I redid the knobs in my bathroom. So the final step here is to seal this with an all-purpose sealer so that you can wipe it down and you can't hurt it. But I thought this came out really nice. I like it, and I hope you guys do as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you try this project? I have so many liquor bottles and wine bottles. My friends I don't drink. My friends save them for me, and I can always find something to do with them. And I love the way this one turned out. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me while I crafted today. It's cold and rainy outside, and this is what I like to do. When the weather's nasty and I have the time, this is exactly what I like to do. So I hope you've enjoyed, like I said, hanging out with me. It's been my pleasure to be with you. I love sharing time with you like this. And I hope I've inspired you to give it a try. It's not that difficult to do, and you can do it too. And if you have any questions about it, just leave me a comment. I'll be glad to help you out. Okay? Just stay to the end, and you'll see what it actually looks like. Thanks, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Find something today that brings joy into your life. And I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings and lots of love. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little